So guys, that was it for the video. I hope you all have enjoyed, and don't forget to try the cheesecake. It was a solid 8 on 10, and if you want to make it a 10 on 10, then must add some condensed milk into the cheese cream, and it will turn out the best ever thing you have ever tried or cooked. But if आपने condensed milk नहीं भी डाला, so it tasted so good, really so good, and you must give it a try this new year or Christmas, and do let me know how it turned out. And yeah, that's it for today. I hope you all have enjoyed. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Till then, take care. Bye bye.